Janine Verillo, and
LocknLock.
she is our Lock and Lock team leader and brand ambassador. Nice to have you here. Nice tackle boxes, ma'am.
David, that's what David used to have for his lunchbox.
I had plumber's lunch boxes. Enormous.
Enormous. I love it.
Now, these are
Wave
specially
design.
created,
Yeah.
yes?
Yeah, so these are the wave rectangles, which is really nice. And the reason that we give you the wave, so we just carried the design, by the way, onto the top for the lid, but you have a wave on the bottom. I want to show you one of these empties.
Okay.
They nest, so that's nice, without their lids. So you put the one lid on and stick the other one on top. But the reason that you get this nice wave design here is because now your fruits, your veggies, they won't get soggy.
Lettuces.
Your food won't sit in its juices. Exactly. Another thing is that if you want to put your baked goods in here, the air will still get distributed beautifully. You'll have nice airflow. So that's
Have you ever
nice
put
and they won't get
something
soggy
like,
as well.
I don't know, fried chicken?
Yes, and fried foods. Thank you for bringing that up.
Into a container like this, clap the lid on, and then what's on the bottom is soggy.
Exactly, not going to happen with your wave design, and that's why I'm glad you said that, because it's really good for fried foods as well. So that's why we did that. And we give you the handle because we know you love it.
And that's store-bought fried chicken, yum.
Yeah, that's a whole chicken in
One
there,
of my
by the way.
faves,
David,
too.
these are 14 3/4 cup capacity, so total of 29 cups, which
And
is
you
29
brought us
and
a
half.
rainbow of colors, didn't you?
We did.
All right,
There you
now,
go.
it's a set of 2, whatever you order, and these are brand new today. It says it right here, new today.
They are.
New today.
Trying to
So
bring you lots of new goodies.
I have these in clear. The handles are both, lie flat, so you can stack these.
That's right, you could stack them. Yep.
And the handles are in the lid. So we have the set of 2 clear, set of 2 red, set of 2 denim blue, set of 2, we calling that?
Oh, no, that's for
Forest green.
Yes,
Forest
sorry.
green, thank you. Then the spearmint.
You got it.
Then we have it in platinum and pink lemonade.
That's right, new colors right there, the forest green, the platinum, and pink lemonade
Pink
for 2025.
lemonade.
Okay, so let's start here at this beautiful dip. This is a peanut butter granola dip. You've got Nutella in here.
It looks like a trifle.
Little mascarpone on top, but it's like a peanut butter granola in there.
What would
some
you dip in
cream
there, like graham
cheese.
crackers?
Oh, but how about I just happen to have some, if you wanted to.
Oh, well, I just couldn't.
So you could put your graham crackers, you could dip that in there, but
You could
I'm going
dip pound cake
to
squares in there.
Oh, you could. I'm going to finish this off, David, with some M&Ms. I mean, I'm going to be generous.
You mean
here.
chocolate chips?
Chocolate chips, I'm sorry. Yes, that's what I meant.
Well, M&Ms have chocolate in them.
Yeah.
Fair
There you
enough.
go. So you can, and do, oh gosh, calling your name. Go ahead, go in for the kill on that one. I'm telling you, you're going to like
might
that.
have to just
Delicious.
try.
Why not? Try that.
Carol.
Okay, Carol, David
Carol is our food
approves.
stylist
Yeah.
who prepares all the Lock and Lock demonstrations, and you have outdone yourself.
Yes. Now, if you're going
Wow.
out to the grill, because before you know it, we will be grilling. So here's some shrimp, some vegetables in here, right? You can even put a nice marinade right on here. You could shake that up if you wanted to in here, David, because we're airtight, watertight, we're leak proof. That's what you guys love about the Lock and Lock. And then you could go out, put that right on your grill, or you can just marinate in
Or
this.
park it in the
put
fridge
lid
and
in.
let it marinate
Exactly.
for a while.
You can marinate it, exactly. So that's something that's
Do a
really
little
nice
shake,
as
shake,
well.
shake. Shake your marinade.
Yeah, you got, that's exactly
And then run
right.
it out to the barbecue.
Yeah, so you could shake that. Love that. You see, we're not leaking,
Not making a mess.
not making a mess. That's what it's all about. So
Now, are these Lock and Lock containers dishwasher safe?
they're dishwasher, microwave, freezer safe.
Mm.
This is the perfect size. So after you make those stuffed peppers, it's nice and deep. I love that. So you can get your stuffed peppers in here, and then your baked goods like we talked about earlier. So I have eclairs and cream puffs in here. And why? I have 70, Carol? 70. So I have 70 in here. And, I mean, hello, we fit a lot in here. This holds a lot. 14
That
and
would taste
3/4
good
cups.
dipped in that dip.
Oh, okay, I like
My
that.
shoes would taste good dipped in that dip.
I like that idea.
Miss Carol, that's mascarpone on top?
Yeah.
And bananas? Oh, it's so good.
It's so good, we're not mad at that.
Not mad at that at all. Are you kidding?
Now, what about when you go and you get the store-bought? Because we like our supermarket shortcuts.
Of
And you
course.
have your pasta salad.
And the prepared foods in the market are getting better and better and better.
They are.
And no one needs to know that it's store-bought unless you choose to tell them.
Don't tell them anything. That's
Throw
your
away your
secret.
containers.
But this container is not airtight, not watertight. Can't use it in the microwave.
This is penne mozzarella salad.
Penne mozzarella salad.
You probably have made this from scratch many times.
Yeah, of course. And then you can doctor this up. You can add some tomatoes to this. You could put some arugula in here. Oh gosh, you could put more cheese. I like the mozzarella, but you could add a different kind of cheese. You could do some Parmesan, Asiago. You could even do some sharp provolone in there.
Some sharp provolone, some Cooper sharp
maybe
white
a little bit of pepperoni sliced up in there. But now you're airtight,
maybe some
you're
cherry
watertight.
tomatoes in there.
Exactly. Take this with you. The barbecues will be coming before we know it, the picnics. But I like pasta salad all year long. I mean, I never say no to a good pasta salad. Then here, your
Bet you make a mean pasta salad.
I do. Your spaghetti and meatballs in here. Another thing that's really nice about that wave construction is that when you have something heavy, it can sometimes be sturdier, which is really nice. So
and if you go to warm something
in
in the microwave that you've pre-cooked at home, if it's not on a wavy type surface like this one, it can get really soggy and too reheated, right?
Exactly, and so we just ask that if you put this in the microwave, there's our seal. So we're food grade silicone seal that makes everything airtight and watertight. You flip that lid, David, just want to break that suction, and this also acts as a splatter guard, so when you are heating up something, especially spaghetti and meatballs, that sauce doesn't get all over the microwave.
Now, before we wrap up, do you have a honey bell you want to talk about?
Oh yeah, let me get my phone out of my pocket.
Oh, everybody, thank goodness we have our phones.
Okay, thank gosh. So here's my honey. I always show the whole fam. Tonight I'm going to show
just your honey bell.
Honey.
Just
There
your
we
honey
are.
bell.
That's Mike. I'll tell you what, he's a gem. I call him Saint Michael, and it really fits him. He's a good guy.
How long have you two been married?
We've been married 12 years now.
And
Together
2 children.
15. Two children.
Together 15, married for 12, and 2 children.
Yeah, he was. You know how I met him?
How'd you meet him?
I bought my first house. Next door neighbor. He was his brother and sister-in-law. So Mike's brother lived next door to me. We met at a party.
You met at a party.
Yeah. And when I was buying my house, my mom says, "Well, maybe you'll meet the boy next door." I didn't meet the boy next door, but I met his brother.
Met his brother. Good for you, and I love your sweater.
Thanks,
you look
dear.
very Valentine-like.
Yes, happy